Welcome to Winning Wall Street's Money. Help support my channel. We need to get to 1,000 subscribers pretty much as soon as possible. So then I go live streaming because YouTube policy, they won't let me go live until I have 1,000 subscribers. Thank you to all the folks out there that have subscribed to my YouTube channel. If you have not yet, please take this moment now with helping me. Click subscribe. Next, click the bell. And next, click all. This helps you receive a notification when I post my next videos. Plus, click the thumbs up button and every time you watch my videos. If you got value from this video, if this was helpful, then please consider sharing a small monetary donation to my channel by going below and clicking on either my Patreon or PayPal links. If you join my Patreon page, then you'll get early access to these videos 24 hours before they're posted on the YouTube and lots more. If you prefer just leaving a small tip, click on PayPal. Either way, then you get that warm sense of satisfaction years down the line knowing that you helped me become a successful YouTuber.
Friday, November 25th, 2:32 p.m. New York time. Good afternoon. Another week just ended. This was not a full trading week of the U.S. stock market since yesterday, Thursday, stock market was closed for U.S. holiday, and today the stock market was a half a day. So take that into consideration when we're looking at this current weekly candle, as well as there was less volume activity. Look at the stock indexes, the stock sectors, and the FANG Plus stocks. I've seen a lot of interesting price action occur this week. So each chart will be 1 year, and each candle represents 1 week. First with the SPX, the stock symbols SPX, Sierra Papa X-ray. That's the S&P 500. Look, the trend is up. And we still have this pattern forming. Left shoulder, head. Yep, that's a bullish pattern because it's a bullish head and shoulder pattern. We closed green for the week. Higher high, higher low. Again, the trend is strong like bull. This day, the S&P 500 futures first took out the high on a daily candle, and then the SPX, the cash index, did. That's good, because I'm in a bullish position I put on today, and it expires Monday. So again, let's clearly understand this. As we're trending up, this is a supply zone of sellers up there. So that's one place to be concerned on the upside, to maybe not want to be buying, but if you have profits, to consider taking profits. Looking at the NASDAQ 100, it did not take out the high of last week. No, it actually made a lower low and lower high. It's struggling, the technology sector still. Dow Jones Industrial Average, strong like bull. Again, higher high, higher low, closed green, took out the high last week, as well took out the swing high and closed above this supply zone of sellers, strong like bull. Now the concern is going into this area, because that was where we had to pass big sellers coming in, had trend going down. The Dow Transports inside candle for the week. Yeah, small trading range, like I mentioned at the beginning of the video, not surprised. But again, undecided what's going to do. Same with last week. Huge wick on the top, huge wick on the bottom, closed red inside that body. So the momentum's still bullish. Just look, it's big green candle, big wick on the bottom, tested, buyer steps in. So it's like it's in a consolidation phase, crawling up to this supply zone. Dow Utilities, woof, strong like bull, almost a solid body, higher high, higher low. Again, Dow Utilities are companies that pay high dividends. People buy this for defensive reasons, often. And the Russell 2000 also inside consolidation, inside candle. So right off the bat, looking at each of these candles for the week, we can see who the winners are and who's the losers. Yep, winner, S&P 500, because it made a higher high, higher low. NASDAQ 100, not the winner. Dow Jones Industrial Average, yeah, first place winner, strong like bull. Dow Transports, like I said, inside candle, that's not a winner. Dow Utilities strong like bull winner, and the Russell 2000 not a winner. Yeah. Let's go look into the sectors, the 11 sectors in the S&P 500. And each chart is 1 year. Each candle is 1 week. The first sector we'll look at is XLK. That's technology. Very similar to the NASDAQ 100. Yeah, it should make sense because, again, NASDAQ 100 is technology. So this sector, technology sector, XLK, represents 20.8% of the S&P 500. Look what we did here. Inside candle for a week. Indecision. Didn't take out the high or low. And also still tested this midpoint and couldn't close above it. It's struggling. I'm not saying it's bearish. I'm just showing you it's not the best. There's better ones than that we already identified. XLV, healthcare, makes up 14.9% of the S&P 500. Strong like bull, higher high, higher low. Broke above and closed above. Yeah, last week in this demand zone, supply zone. I mean, nice, big solid body. Healthcare. Wouldn't be surprised if there's legislation either this month or next month before this Congress session ends. XLF, financials. Yeah, financials, 13.7% S&P 500, the big banks. So green, higher high, higher low, broke above and closed above this prior supply zone. That's good. XLY, consumer discretionary, makes up 10.20%, 10.2%. Green for the week, lower low, lower high. Oof, still near the lows of the year. Tight consolidation. It's struggling down here. XLC, X-Ray Lima Charlie Communication Services, makes up 9.9% S&P 500. Also lower high, lower low. It's struggling down here. XLI Industrials makes up 9.7% S&P 500. Nice. Higher high, higher low. Broke above. This swing high, closed above it. Strong. XLP Consumer Staples makes up 6.7% S&P 500. Also green for the week. Higher high, higher low. Broke above and closed above. This supply zone. Very nice. And we notice a lot of them did this. Big bodies, higher highs, higher lows, close up strong. A lot of new money pouring in for certain sectors. You see the leadership. XLE Energy makes up 6% of the S&P 500. Mid or lower high, lower low. The trend is down. Yep, made a reversal already. Wonder how steep that's going to go. Buyer's already stepping in here. You see that till. Interesting. More of a consolidation phase building here too. Let's label it that way. There we go. XLU Utilities makes up 2.8% in S&P 500. Getting strong like bull, higher high, higher low. Nice breakout. Above that 70, that's good. XLRE Real Estate makes up 2.7% in S&P 500. Made a higher high, higher low from that prior week, but it still didn't take out this swing high, which is a supply zone of sellers. But again, the probability is doing very well to want to break out. Big green candle, yellow tail retested it, buyer stepped in. Yeah, looks like it's a bullish pattern still. XLB Materials makes up 2.5% of the S&P 500. Also higher high, higher low, big solid body. Nice. Broke above that. Very good. So most of the sectors are looking pretty darn good. The ones that moved higher on strength. So then you just identified, I shared with you, who the winners and losers are. So again, you could buy just one stock share of the winners if you want. Dollar cost average from the indexes or these stock ETFs. Let's go look at the FANG Plus stocks. The FANG, these are single company stocks. Some of the most popular ones, some of the ones that are representing the biggest percentage inside these stock indexes. First one, Alpha, Papa Lima, Apple. Inside candle for the week. Yep, indecision. Such a sloppy pattern this year. Look at that, all over the place. Microsoft, Green for the week, higher high, higher low. Still in a tight consolidation phase here. Amazon, Alpha Mike, Zulu November. Yeah, red for the week, lower low, lower high. Down here near the low of the year. And Meta, Mike, Echo, Tango, Alpha, Meta, the company that owns Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram, bunch of other things. Red for the week, lower low, lower high, thin trading range. It looks like it's under distribution still. That does not look healthy. Nope. Google company, Alphabet. Golf, Oscar, Golf. Green for the week, but lower high, lower low. Again, all these technology stocks, these big ones are struggling. Tesla, Tango, Sierra, Lima, Alpha. New low for the year. Hear that again. New low for the year. Who shared that with you? I haven't heard that from other people saying that, but it is. Charts don't lie. Lower high, lower low, close green. Who's buying down here? It's at the low. NVIDIA, November, Victor, Delta, Alpha. Green for the week. Yep, lower high, lower low. It's in acceleration phase. Netflix. Red for the week, lower low, lower high. Big sell-off still. Struggling down here. It's not leadership. Let's just put Disney up here for a minute. Just curious. Disney did make higher high, higher low. Probably just based on that news of the new leadership that's going to rotate in. Alibaba. Might be pronounced that wrong. Bravo Alpha. Inside candle for the week. Not surprised. Let's see if there's a similarity between Apple. Yeah. Look at that. Apple here in the top left and Alibaba bottom right. Both inside candles. Yep. It's the policy of the nation of China that has a huge effect on these companies that want to do business in there. Many thanks for watching. Thank you, as always, for spending just a little bit of your time with me. If you've gotten value from this video, if this was helpful, then please consider sharing a small monetary donation to my channel by going below and clicking on my PayPal or Venmo. You can leave a small tip. If you don't want to share financial support, no problem. Just click the like and subscribe and leave a comment, please.